So we are trying to add images to slides. We're going to add a new slide to our presentation. The slide we want to pick is our caption slide. We have a nice empty space here for an image, and we have a caption down here. Now, here we have our insert image icon. And if we click on that, we can specify an image URL or browse the computer for an image to upload. We also can try dragging images from other web pages directly onto our slides. We're going to go ahead and use the specify an image URL for our methodology. So cancel that. Notice right up here we have our new tab. If we just click on new tab, in our new tab we want to use the Google search field right up here to search for an image. For instance, praying mantis. And you'll notice we have our search results here. These are for everything. We want to filter these for images. And of course, we need to be careful that as we are searching for images, if we run into inappropriate images, we will minimize the window and let our teacher know that we are finding some inappropriate images on the specified search terms. So we can get more directions on how to avoid those. We click on images, filter for images, and we start to get some of these images for praying mantis. For instance, this looks like a good one. Praying mantis eating a grasshopper, it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And notice what it says right over here. This is really what we want. What does it say? Full-size image. We want to go to that full-size image. We should find ourselves looking at the image in its own window. Right up here in the address bar, we will have the URL of the image. We want to click on that URL, and then we right-click, copy. Now we have the image URL. It's time for us to use our tab navigation again. Click over here on the tab for our Google document, our Google presentation, and here's where we're going to insert that image, specifying the image URL. Select the button for image URL, right-click and paste into the field, click OK, and then wait while the image loads. Once the image is loaded, we can use our handles, either move the image around, and these handles will allow us to change the size of the image. Generally, I like to keep mine in their normal aspect ratio. I just stretch that one out and it starts to look unnatural. I can use my undo button to undo any changes I've made. Of course, I want to add a caption. And that's how you add an image to a Google presentation slide. Now at this point, we're almost done, except the fact is I didn't take this picture with my own camera. I didn't wait in the wild to take a picture of the praying mantis that caught a grasshopper. So I need to give credit to the photographer and website where I found this. I'm going to create a credits slide. Click on the plus sign. Click on the text slide again. And then up here in the title, I'm going to add image credits. And down here, type in praying mantis, retrieved on September 28th, 2011 from, and I'm pressing Control V to paste the URL into place. Now we've given proper image credits and giving credit where credit is due to this website for carrying that image for us to be able to use in our school project. So now we have our image and our image credit.